guys, it's me, Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be teaching you how to use essential oils for candle making. Essential oils are natural, highly concentrated extracts from plants that are often fragrant. They can be found in the roots, leaves, stems, flowers, or fruits of plants that are extracted using a process called distillation. Essential oils are potent, 100% natural, and can come from lavender, cedarwood, geranium, ylang-ylang, orange, cypress, cinnamon leaf, patchouli, lemon, vetiver, clove, sage, and balsam. This doesn't even scratch the surface. There are hundreds more. Popularly used for various household and body applications, essential oils have rapidly gained popularity in the candle making community. When working with essential oils, it's important to know how they behave when added to candle wax. Many essential oils degrade when exposed to the higher temperatures reached when burning a candle. This is called the flash point, and it's why not much scent is diffused, resulting in a disappointing hot throw. Having tested thousands of candles, this is something we've experienced firsthand, as well as some essential oils giving off a funky scent while burning. You will want to make sure to test any essential oils and oil concentrations you plan to use to make sure they'll give you the scent you really desire. If you have your heart set on using 100% natural essential oils, look for blends of multiple oils versus just a simple one ingredient. Ylang and geranium from the Wooden Wick Co. is one of my favorite essential oil blends. When using 100% essential oils, we also suggest adding in your fragrance to the wax at a slightly cooler temperature. This will prevent the degradation of the scent. Be sure to whisk the fragrance into your melted wax for a minimum of 2 minutes. Because essential oils can be tricky to work with, we recommend using blends of fragrance oils and essential oils. Be sure to look out for fragrances that are phthalate-free and cruelty-free, like those made by the Wooden Wick Co. This allows you to make candles that give off great scent throw, cold and hot. Plus, you can still harness the marketing power of using candles made with natural essential oils. It's also much more cost-effective than using 100% pure essential oils. For more information about the differences between fragrance oils versus essentials, check out our video, What Are the Differences? Fragrance oils versus essential oils. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Do you use essential oils in your candle making? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to purchase the ylang and geranium fragrance oil we used in this video, we'll link it for you below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Makers Moments. Happy making!